Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students of grade 5. How are you today? I wish you are always fine. Your father, your mom, also they are fine. Well class, welcome back to our English home learning today. And today we are going to learn still on chapter 2, part 2. Well class, before we continue our lesson today, I would like to ask you something. Anyone has got shower? Well, Alhamdulillah. And also you have breakfast? Very good. If you done all, let's learn about our English subject today. And here, the English subject for you. Please pay attention carefully till you know what the lesson today and what did this today for you. Okay class, you got it? Okay, come on, let's go to our English home learning. And here you are, let's go. Come on. Okay, thank you. Hello students of grade 5, welcome again to our English home learning today, and then we are going to continue on chapter 2. Start page 16 about more to know. Common use of ordinal numbers. Penggunaan umum tentang angka tingkatan atau bilangan tingkatan. Okay, let's discuss it together. He got third prize, sixth in line on his 20th. He got third prize. Dia mendapatkan hadiah yang ketiga. Sixth in line on his 20th. Nomor baris ke-6 di nomor yang ke-20. She was hired on January 8 and on the 25th she got appointment letter from board of directors. She was hired on January 8. Dia mendapatkan atau dia dipekerjakan pada tanggal 8 Januari dan pada tanggal 25 dia mendapat surat penunjukan dari Dewan Direksi. The first 3 series were wonderful to watch. The first 3 series, seri 3 yang pertama itu sangat bagus untuk ditonton, sangat asik untuk ditonton. But the second 2 were quite boring. Tapi yang kedua dari 2 seri tersebut cukup membosankan. Can't you wait till March 24th? Tidakkah kamu bisa menunggu sampai tanggal 24 Maret? A boy of 20 years old is remembering his 11th birthday. Seorang anak cowok yang berumur 20 tahun mengingatkannya ulang tahun yang ke-11. Okay, this one about common use of ordinal numbers. Okay, then pay attention about writing. Okay, the writing, let's discuss it. Fill in the blank with the suitable ordinal numbers. Di sini adalah untuk mengisi yang blank ini dengan bilangan tingkatan yang sesuai. I get the bla 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 rank in my class. Nah, di sini kira-kira menjadi apa? One or first? Yes, that's right. Berarti di sini adalah first ya. Di sini adalah bilangan tingkatan. Number 2. I was born on the bla 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 of October. Nah, di sini yang tepat adalah 31 or 31st. Yes, 31st here. Then number 3. Indonesia Independence Day was bla 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 of August 1945. Oke, the suitable answer is, jawaban yang tepat adalah 17 or 17th. Yes, the correct answer is 20. Yes, 17th. 17 ditambahin TH, bacanya 17th. 4. Cartoonist Day is on the blah 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 on April. Okay, 21 or 21st? Yes, the suitable answer is 21st. June is the blah 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 of the year. Okay, the answer is yes, 6th. Okay, angka 6 ditambahin TH atau 6 S-E-X-T-H, 6th. Okay, this one for discussion, and then after this we are going to continue for your duties. Okay, let's check it out. Well, students, before entering for your duties today, we discuss about glossary of words. Yuk kita bahas glossary dulu sebelum masuk ke tugas kalian. Appointment, appointment, penunjukan. Attachment, attachment, lampiran. Board, board, lahir. Cardboard, cardboard, kertas karton. Hired, hired, direkrut. Horizontal, horizontal, melintang. Material, material, bahan. Pattern, pattern, pola. Replika, replika, tiruan. Scissors, scissors, gunting. Step, step, langkah. Tool, tool, peralatan. Trace, trace, melacak. Vertical, vertical, tegak. Yarn, yarn, benang. Okay, well students, you learn it by yourself again ya, dipelajari kalian lagi sendiri ya. Okay, then here are the duties for you. Students, okay, this one, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 6 number. Please you write down the answers. Cukup tulis jawaban saja yang benar. Okay, this is the first duties. Ini tugas yang pertama kalian, tugas tertulisnya. And after this is the duties of making coffee. And here you are. Pay attention, perhatikan. This is how to make tubruk coffee. How to make tubruk coffee. Nah, bagaimana cara membuat kopi tubruk. Nah, this one rearrange the procedure. Nah, the ingredients, okay, bahan-bahannya. ada 2 ml of water, and then 2 teaspoons of tubruk coffee powder. And step, langkah-langkah di sini ini masih berantakan, masih kurang sesuai. Nah, tugas kalian, this one, oke. You rearrange, disusun kembali, kira-kira susunannya apa aja. How to make tubruk coffee. First, yang pertama, kalian akan menyiapkan apa dulu pertama, oke? Nah, then second, kedua, diurutkan. Find out here, cari di sini. Then the third, yang ketiga, langkah ketiga. Oke, then fourth, itu langkah keempat. And fifth, langkah yang kelima. Oke, kalian pahami dulu. Kalau sudah paham, disusun ya, di arrange. Because this one unarranged, terus ini belum tersusun dengan tepat. Nomor 1 ada prepare, menyiapkan. Kedua itu boil, itu merebus. Net 3 finally, akhirnya. 4 pour, tuangkan. And then 5 pour, juga tuangkan. Please, you have to do this. Punya tugas kedua. Okay. Well, this one about your learning and activities today. Then for skill activities dan buat keterampilan. After this, you can make video of making coffee tubruk. Tugas berikutnya nanti boleh buat video bagaimana cara membuat kopi tubruk, but it's a presentation, presentasi cara membuatnya. Nah, nanti ada video yang sebagai contoh akan Mr. share. Okay, well, thank you.